Great Late Henry Wagmeister's MG MGB convertible. It's not a midget, but it is tiny, I'll say that much. And light. Almost there. I got some body, all this old body work, I'm gonna redo it. You know? I wanna see how deep them are. Sometimes they don't pull the dents. You know, the guy that did it 20 years ago, and I'll pull dents, and there'll be a lot less Bondo. I'll work with the hammer and dollies if possible. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I gotta pull the back bumper today. I gotta take these lights, this thing here. I gotta take that all off. I should take these, I guess. This is going to be a pain in the ass now, though. I got to take these. I was thinking just mask these things, you know. And I'm going to see, I flapped the roof up like that. And then I could, you know, I don't know, put it down when I'm painting up there, and put it up when I'm painting up there. Mask the thing with a plastic tarp, tape it up, should be alright. I'm gonna pull these out. I'm worried. I don't know about taking these door handles. I'm very nervous about that on this car. It's very tight in there. I've never done this before, even on some of the American cars that I own. You know, I mean, the Lincoln is easy, I think, compared to this, because I don't know what I'm working with here, and it's tight, confined space in there. You know, I don't know what to expect. Spring loaded, what? So I don't know. I'm looking for a shortcut. I got to get this done, because I got a couple of jobs now that I can't start until this is done and out of here. All right. Anyway, this is Henry's car. I hope I could finish this soon. I haven't had a cigarette. I bought a pack of cigarettes in like a week or more now. I'm jonesing. But I'm on the Chantix and I'm kind of weird. Oh man. I would like to, you know, I don't know, I've been sleeping so much, I don't know how much longer I'm going to be able to hang in there, but hopefully I can finish this today. It's not a lot. Got to take the back bumper, the back lights, I don't know, a couple of hours maybe. I'm going to do this and the body work. Now the body work, that's going to take a couple of days, but I'll get it, and I'll get it right, and I'll get it nice, like I always do. And I'm a real good sculptor, by the way, when it comes to this stuff. Working with Bondo. Thing is, it's nasty shit, man. Nasty shit. Anyway, that's Henry's car. The Great Late Henry Wagmeister. Truck tires, sales and service. Yeah, and he had a business here in Fairfield County, and he used to take care of all the truckers that broke down, and he was like the only one that ran 24/7. It was a one-man wrecking crew, and he called me to help him all the time over the better part of 3 decades. Yeah. I wish he was here and I did not have this car, but I'm gonna love her. I'm showing her a lot of love right now, let me tell you that. Alright, that's it. Time's run already almost 5 minutes, this video on my cell phone. I'm surprised. Alright.